one of the most balanced and beloved drift platforms ever built. Its near-perfect 50/50ths weight distribution gives predictable handling and smooth transitions mid-drift. The E46 came with engines like the M54 straight-six, and in the M3, the legendary S54, a favorite for turbo and supercharger builds. With coilovers, angle kits, and a welder difference, the E46 transforms into a precision drift machine. Lightweight, balanced, and endlessly tunable, the BMW E46 proves that true driving pleasure doesn't have to break the bank or. What do you think?